This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus. Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
It's called Filmy Friday and it happens every Friday just as the weekend kicks off and you want to make the most of it. Now, what are some of the things you do? One is, of course, travel. Two is listen to some music. I play music. I get you the best music. And then there is also binge watching your favorite series, whether it is OTT platforms or even rushing to the theaters. There have been some really good movies that have released over the past 2 weekends. Can't really say that about this weekend. But there are still some, that are releasing. But the OTT platforms, they tend to surprise us and how. And I'm more than happy to talk to you about them. Well, I'm going to get started. पर उससे पहले अमेरिकन ये जो कॉप सीरीज है द रुकी, जो कि 2018 में कहीं बनी थी, 6 सीजन ही हुए थे और 6 सीजन में पहले सीजन से ही कंट्रोवर्सीज इनके पीछे लगी हुई थी. Whether it is some of the stars in, the first season, to even one of the stars was one of my favorites, really. I kind of disliked watching the show for some time after he quit, but there were some personal reasons, apparently, or some real life cases. Whatever the story is, the series is nice. It's quite tight. It's got enough amount of pop and entertainment in it, while keeping the seriousness of what a cop series should be like. You take a look at it, watch it if you can this weekend, if you still haven't. The Rookie on Netflix. Now let's go straight to the theatre releases. Metro इन दिनों, अगर आपने कपिल शर्मा का शो देखा है, जो नया सीजन रिलीज हुआ है, उसमें सेकेंड एपिसोड में ही मेट्रो इन दिनों के सारे स्टार्स आए हुए थे एंड काफ़ी अच्छा था. Okay, the episode, although I thought it was stretched quite a bit, but it's Kapil at the end of the day and it's lovely to watch him. Abhishek even better, and Sunil Grover, oh my god, he is something else in this season altogether. I think he is the winner, or he's the one who's actually holding at least the first 2 episodes. ये कहे कि ये spiritual sequel है to Anurag Basu's 2007 film Life in a Metro. काफ़ी सारे contemporary love stories है इसमें, which are fighting their own battles, starring Aditya Roy Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, there's Ali Fazal, Fatima Sana Sheikh, Kankana Sen Sharma, Pankaj Tripathi. There's also Neena Gupta and Anupam Kher. So you should go watch this because it has already released as of yesterday in the theaters. अब चलते हैं to Akshardham Operation Vajra Shakti. 5 years after its digital premiere, the film is now going to release in the theaters. In fact, it already has yesterday. Directed by Ken Ghosh, the film is a dramatized retelling of the tragic 2002 terrorist attack on the Akshardham temple in Gujarat and the counter operation by India's elite national security guard to neutralize the terrorists. अगर हॉलीवुड के बारे में बात करें जो थिएटर में रिलीज हो रहा है, द बिग वन इज जुरासिक वर्ल्ड रीबर्थ, जिसमें है स्कारलेट योहानसन, महार्शला अली, जॉनथन बेली, रूपर्ट फ्रेंड, देयर इज आल्सो लूना ब्लेज, डेविड लकोनो, ऑड्रीना मिरांडा. द लिस्ट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन, बट इट इज द जुरासिक वर्ल्ड फ्रेंचाइज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. इट्स गोइंग टू बी बिग और इसे तो मतलब 3D में ही आपको देखना चाहिए.
मेरी बॉडी में सेंसेशंस होते हैं, पिल्स उनको कंट्रोल करते हैं.
कैसे सेंसेशंस?
सेंसेशन जैसे सरसराहट, सनसनाहट, गुदगुदाहट, डगमगाहट, फड़फड़ाहट, थरथराहट, कपकपाहट, भरभराहट, दबदबाहट, छटपटाहट, फड़फड़ाहट, सुगबुगाहट, कुलबुलाहट, गुदगुदाई, चिलमिलाई, चुल.
आज ही अपने नियरेस्ट डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करें और हाँ, अपना क्लेम अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप पर रियम्बर्स जरूर करें. बॉडी सेंसेशन और पिल से मुक्ति पाएं.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Filmy Friday on Go MMT Radio.
After theatre releases, it's time for the OTT releases. But just before getting to that, I have to tell you about the Health Camp. Well, this is where everything comes together and you can take a look into how well you are aligned with your body and mind. A camp with experts. There'll be screenings as well as wellness tips. From checkups to nutrition and lifestyle guidance, diagnostics, on-spot fitness, and the kind of tips that you need from the experts themselves that will tell you more about how you can change your lifestyle for the better. Of course, you can use the Alive Health app to make the payments. All the details are what you will find on the Alive Health app for sure. Now, in Bangalore and Gurgaon are the two places where this is happening. On the 9th and 10th of July in Bangalore, and in Gurgaon it is 16th and 17th of July. So you've got to look up and get in all the details to make sure that you do not miss out on your appointment. Don't forget the Health Carnival 2025 that you can be a part of and lead a brighter and a great life ahead. Thanks to MMT. This is GoMMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. The show is called Filmy Friday. Stay tuned.
Attention trippers.
जादू मेरी नजर
नजर से याद आया उसमें नजर भी कवर्ड है नजर बोले तो विजन हेल्थ केयर ऑन अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप जाके डाउनलोड करना यार जल्दी जा
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Filmy Friday on GoMMT Radio.
On Filmy Friday, now it's time to talk about the OTT releases. Let's start with Companion. It's on Jio Hotstar. It's a weekend getaway at a remote cabin for a couple that turns into a nightmare when it's revealed that one of the guests is a subservient android built for human companionship. It is directed by Drew Hancock, and yes, we're talking about Hollywood here. It's a gripping sci-fi thriller starring Sophie Thatcher and Jack Quaid in lead roles. The next one is Attack on London, Hunting the 7/7 Bombers. This is on Netflix. It is a documentary that presents never-before-seen footage of the 7/7 bombings on London's transport network that happened in 2005. Moving on to the Old Guard. If you're a Charlize Theron or the Old Guard franchise fan, you must check this out on Netflix. It is an adaptation of Greg Rucka's comic book of the same name, fantasy movie following Andy, Charlize Theron, who struggles to live out her remaining life after losing her immortality. Now, soon she and her group of immortal warriors are forced to come out of hiding and face their biggest challenge when a ghost from their past resurfaces. The ensemble cast is quite catchy. Big names: Charlize Theron, Chiwetel Ejiofor, Kiki Lane, Uma Thurman and Henry Golding, among others. Pretty cool, right? Moving on to Heads of State, Amazon Prime Video. This is where two world leaders, the UK Prime Minister and the US President, become targets of an unknown foreign adversary. Now, they are forced to form an unlikely alliance to thwart a global conspiracy. And this stars John Cena, Idris Elba and Priyanka Chopra in lead roles. Great to have her back on an OTT platform to see her in her elements. It's always so much fun to see her on the screen. The Sandman Season 2 Volume 1, it's based on Neil Gaiman's comic books of the same name. It is a series that marks the return of Tom Sturridge as Lord Morpheus, also known as Dream. It continues Dream's story, who after a fateful reunion with his family must make a difficult decision to save himself, his kingdom and the world. Pretty much the plot that one wants to watch on screen when it comes to a hero who's trying to save his world and all of that. And they usually kind of get it right, and the first season was quite the big hit. Yeah.
Be curious to know how things work. Be creative by constantly looking for newer, better ways of achieving results. Be genuine in your care, be it for your colleagues, customers, or business. Hi, I'm Deep, and you're listening to GoMMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Social Spotlight on GoMMT Radio.
It's Social Spotlight on Filmy Friday. देखते हैं क्या चल रहा है MMT के इंस्टा हैंडल पर और GoIbibo के इंस्टा हैंडल पर. MMT के इंस्टा हैंडल पर दिखा रहे हैं आपको समर लग्जरी एस्केप्स. वाओ, इट इज स्टीप्ड इन स्पाइस एंड सनसेट्स. अब यहाँ पर colonial charm to backwater beauty to boutique indulgence. कोचिन में आप ज़रूर बहुत कुछ luxurious पा सकते हैं. This is also my roots, and I know just like the tag goes for Kerala, it is God's own country. And Kochi, the kind of heritage it has, both the British as well as Portuguese and various other heritages that it carries, because it's a mix of cultures that has evolved over the years. And the backwaters, they are to definitely die for. And if you do it luxuriously at the most luxurious spots that Make My Trip has put together for you, Take a look. You shouldn't skip this at all. Southern Lights, Australia and New Zealand. अगर आपको साउथ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, ऑफ द ग्लोब जाना है तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया और न्यूजीलैंड तो आपको जाना बनता है. और वहाँ पर कौन सी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पर आप जाकर इस ट्रिप को बिल्कुल मेमोरेबल बना सकते हैं. That's something again you will find on Make My Trip. I also love what is being done to the social media day conversation that Make My Trip is having on Instagram. Do take a look. Now let's go to Go Ibibo. यहाँ पर भी जो इंटरनेशनल जोक डे रील्स है वो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. There's always a point they're trying to make with jokes. Well, that's cool, right? And then of course the banter with brands. इतने सारे brands और इतनी सारी बातें. For instance, just like Pun's 100, our travel deals are superb, superb, superb. You, your besties on vacation with an Instax that makes it all superb, superb, superb. Not bad, huh? Instax camera हो तो फिर I think travel आपका somewhat complete हो ही जाता है. Well, let's move on to just like Pun's 100, our travel deals are superb, superb, superb. Delhi की गर्मी में chilled Pepsi is superb, superb, superb. Oh, take a look. There are quite a few. That was Social Spotlight for you today. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie and you're listening to Filmy Friday. Stay tuned.
Good morning, Make My Trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
आप सब जानते हैं कि मेक माई ट्रिप की 25th एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेशंस चल रही हैं. अब इस सेलिब्रेशन में एक और 25 का नंबर जुड़ गया है. मेक माई ट्रिप हैज पार्टनर्ड विद रेडियो मिर्ची टू सेलिब्रेट कपल्स हु हैव कंप्लीटेड 25 years of marriage. अगर आप या आपके पेरेंट्स की सिल्वर जुबली है, दिस वंस फॉर यू. ट्रैवल सिर्फ डेस्टिनेशन नहीं होता, इट्स एन एडवेंचर इन बॉन्डिंग. शादी के बाद शिमला हनीमून जहां हाथ पकड़ना सीखना या फ्लाइट कैंसिलेशन की वजह से बजट गड़बड़ा जाना और फिर कम में मैनेज करना सीखना, यही छोटी छोटी स्टोरीज बन जाती है लाइफ टाइम के बॉन्डिंग मोमेंट्स. तो भेजिए अपनी या अपने पेरेंट्स की क्यूट फनी इमोशनल #travel वाली लव स्टोरी एज अ 1-minute वीडियो व्हाट्सएप पर. नंबर है 9930983983. Once again, 9930983983. Also, do mention your employee ID at the very end of your video. Stories cute हो या funny हो, बस इतना याद रखना दिल से हो. Winning stories get holiday vouchers worth ₹25,000 and will be featured on Radio Mirchi as well as Go MMT Radio. हो सकता है आप Make My Trip के Instagram पेज पर भी फीचर हो जाए. तो वेट किस बात की, फोन निकालिए, वीडियो बनाइए और व्हाट्सएप कीजिए 9930983983 पर.
alive क्या है ये life alive. जब घर में कोई बीमार हुआ तो वीके टीम ने कहा alive alive. हेल्प पर छाई काली घटा तो बोली हवा alive alive. अल्पर की फार्मेसी से ले लो अपनी दवाई, डेंटल चेकअप और आई केयर भी है भाई. Alive, alive, ये live, alive क्या है ये live, alive. जब कोई हेल्थ केयर करता है तू alive, alive. बड़ा प्यारा प्यारा लगता है तो दिल करता है alive, alive. हेल्थ का हीरो बनने का है ये टाइम. Alive एप्लीकेशन डाउनलोड करो, it's prime. Alive, alive, ये live, alive क्या है ये live, alive. सिर्फ वी केयर फन मेंबर्स के लिए. Yeah, yeah.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo, and Redbus.